Hello, my name is Julia Iwanaku. I thought it would be easy for some people to understand my presentation if I went over some facts. I will begin to explain the information I've given. First off, I have a very hard time saying dyscalculia. I keep on wanting to confuse it with Dracula. This is how I remember it. Dyscalculia. I have to break it up. It means impairment of the ability to solve mathematical problems, usually resulting from brain dysfunction. I choose this topic because I've had this my entire life and it runs in my family. This is a way for me to cope with my disability and also raise awareness. Some of the warning signs of dyscalculia is difficulty in estimating costs like grocery bills, difficulty in math concepts beyond the basic math facts, ability to budget or balance a checkbook, trouble with concepts of time, such as sticking to a schedule or approximating time, trouble with mental math, also difficulty in finding different approaches to one problem. Self-esteem issue is shared by most with dyscalculia. Imagine having fear and anxiety about going to the store to buy simple things like milk. I think playing a make-believe store, even with adults, would help alleviate that panic when going out. The game of life, and also any fun games like bingo with flashcards. Bingo is as simple as putting down a math question and letting students figure it out any way they want, and then making these cards with the correct answers. Also understanding that repeated practice, small interactive groups when teaching is also very effective in teaching adults with dyscalculia. I will show you how dyscalculia works when learning. Often they will see numbers as dots like this. Also, if asked to put this number in sequence between a 3 and a 9, they would count up spaces between. So they would always have to count 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then they would know where to put the 8. To count down from 10, they would count up from 1 to 10, then 1 to 9. To count up from tens, they would say 70, 80, 90, 100, 200, 300. All right, so I'll just finish off by saying if you have a learning disability or know someone who might have any kind of disability, even if it's mild, just know that there is lots of help and lots of support out there. Thank you.